Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set timer for messages in MIUI 10. Let's begin. So let's open the message app, create a new message, click on plus button, then click on timed. You can also set the date, but we'll only set the time for you. Okay, let's set the time to 7:39 a.m. and type a message. Send it. You can also see a timer button came in the side of the message. You can also now change the time and date. You can see. Let's minimize it and head to our YouTube channel. If you like my videos, like it, share it, subscribe it. You can see the message received. So it works. If you guys like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, share my videos. Thank you for your support, guys. It's me. Bye.